So kasalukuyan po tayo nasa Antipolo, Bacau. Yeah. Grabe naman. Post birthday celebration. Tara, punta tayo sa century old tree. So this is the view. As you can see, uphill siya. Ate ko, shit, hindi pala ako nakapag sunblock. This is nature. Pundag sakit pagbaba. Na first time ko makapunta dito. Look, the beauty. What if dito kayo mag-run? Grabe ang ahon. Yeah. Century Tree Highlands, Antipolo, Bacau. So as you can see, I see sea of clouds there, and the nature, it's giving, wow, amazing. Ooh, I've made it. Let's check the sea of clouds there. Sorry po, wala po kasing tao. There, oh. Sea of clouds. Nakikita nyo ba yon? There. Ah. Sea of clouds. Oh, love nature. Thank you, Lord. This is so perfect after my birthday. Yeah, let's go there. Yes. Mamaya tayo magparadyos. Wow, the sea of clouds. It's giving sea of clouds. Nagkaalaga? Ay, sige, sorry. Grabe, ang ganda. Grabe. Grabe, ang ganda. See that sea of clouds? The sea of clouds is giving Sagada feels. See that? Woo. Grabe, ang ganda. Ang ganda, guys. See? Grabe si Lord. Well, this is my first time. It exceeds my expectation. Grabe, ang ganda ng nature. As in. Pero super init lang. Yeah, so guys, if you want to check this place, kindly visit Century Tree Highlands, located here at Antipolo, Bacau, Camarines Sur. Yeah, I know feeling ko ako pa lang ako na lang ata din nakapunta dito, pero matagal na talaga na feature sa mga content creator natin. Pero grabe, ang ganda. Super. Pero sobrang init lang. Ang ganda. Look, the sea of clouds is giving, it's giving so ganito kaganda, guys. Ilang po yan dito sa Antipolo, Baaw. Yaya po sila ate. Guys, grabe, ang ganda. Yan, so just visit Century Tree Highlights located at Antipolo, Baaw. Yan, perfect. So, this is picture perfect. This is, guys, sabi ni ate, Mount Asog here, this mountain, and the other one, diba? Mahulog pa ako. And the other one is Mount Isarog. Okay? Mount Asog or sa Mount Iriga. And this one, Mount Isarog. Okay? Yan. So, picture perfect talaga dito, guys. Pero suggest ko lang, either early morning or late afternoon kayo pumunta, pero depende pa rin sa weather. Okay? Depende pa rin sa weather. So, ngayon hulas na ako and feeling ko sunburn nata, magkakaroon ng sunburn. Pero healthy pa rin. Ay, no, 8:49 na. Pero, grabe. Ang ganda dito, guys. Yeah. Visit Highland Century. Century Tree Highlands. Okay, so let's go. I think we're done. And they have also sari-sari store there. If you want some snack, they're located there. That's stall. May CR din dito. Okay, may CR there. So it is very clean and organized. So this is the century-old tree. Yan. Okay. Yan. This is the century-old tree. Grabe, hindi siya natinag kay bagyong uman.